I'm Dan Reimer, and I'm with Neutronics Refrigerant Analysis Division. Today I'd like to take a few moments to demonstrate our field diagnostic software for our internal YF units. As you can see, I already have the software up on the screen. And the program will walk you through each step. There's 10 steps. So to begin, we're going to press the next button. A couple of questions come up and you have to fill these fields out in order to go to the next step. So the first step is I powered up the device and confirmed that the LED is illuminated, and it is. The next step is I've visually inspected the filter for oil contamination and it is clean. I also have to visually inspect the sample line for contamination and make sure that is clean. Again, clean sample hose. And the next question is asking me to replace the brass filter, which I do not need to do at this time because it's a brand new filter. I will then put my name in here. The device serial number can be found on the front of the unit. And my technician notes is I'm just going to run a test to make sure the unit is functioning properly. And I'm going to go on to the next step. The next step, I need to take the USB and connect it to the analyzer. Once it is installed, hit next. It has found the device, so I can continue. At this point, the LED should be blinking green. And it's going to test to take a clean air sample. The test takes approximately 30 seconds. The next step is we're going to test the flow from the YF gas into the device. So I'm going to hook up my sample hose to the analyzer. I'm going to take our flow meter and then hook that up, at which point I will then check for flow of gas. And we have flow. And you were to put in the numeric value, which was 0.05 for my flow meter reading, and hit next. At this point, you want to make sure that you're connected to your sample gas and to the identifier. Again, the identifier should be blinking blue at this point. And before we start the test, we're going to open up the low side pressure valve and hit next for it to analyze. This takes approximately a minute. Okay, once the test is complete, you're going to turn off your sample gas. As you can see, we tested the gas. It is 100% pure R1234YF. And we're going to hit next. The next test, the identifier correctly identifies pure air and provides the proper sample status code. At which time, we will hit next. Again, you will hear the pump running, and it's just testing for air. And while the test is being run, you want to disconnect from your sample. Approximate time of this test is about 70 seconds. And we have our error analysis result. Again, the unit passed. Error was 100%. We will go on to the next step. And we get to this field that tells us diagnostics have completed and the application found no errors. And we will hit next. At this time I'll save it on my computer, so we'll have the results. Thank you for watching the demonstration video, and if you have any questions, please contact us.